Okay, hi everybody. So this is Manu.
This is Serena.
And we're from Trustworthy Resolutions. We're more than just accountants, okay? We're the business rock stars. So sit back and relax while Manu goes through an interesting topic today.
Thank you very much, Serena. So today, we're going to talk about the art of budgeting. Now, specifically, we've worked in the creative sector, dealing with theatres, dance companies for over 35 years here. So we've got some great lessons for arts organisations that are also great takeaway for businesses. So when we're talking about budgeting and planning for the next 12 months, a few household tips to take away. Number one, in the beginning, think about the timetable, when things have got to be completed by, who's going to be involved in case you need to organise things like holiday, who doesn't have it and who does. Secondly, think about the assumptions that you're going to be putting into your budget for the next 12 months. So where's the funding likely to come from? What's the audiences? Any movements on that there as well? Where do you expect the sources of funding to come from? Staffing, inflation and the like. In addition, to help you decide where you're likely to be in the next 12 months here, figure out where you're likely to end up with financially in the current year. It's what we might call a latest likely achievement. So figure out where you're likely to be. That will form as a good basis to project numbers for the budget ahead. And lastly, remember your budget is an expression of your story in numbers, typically linking into any 3 to 5 year plan that you may have. Hope you found this useful.
Okay guys, so if you want more than just an accountant, call Proactive Resolutions, business rock stars. Come on guys, ciao.
Ciao.